What's up guys, today we will learn about how to analyze the resources. In the previous video we learned about how to link the activities and how to create the activities. In this video we are going to talk about how to analyze the resources. So this was our plan. We will take all activities into the Excel. Steel fixer, carpenter, mason and labor. Let's make it freeze the panes. Then we will go to the construction. First we will take the quantities for all activities. Unit, site cleaning and layout marking, lump sum, or ls we can type. Excavation, we have already quantity in BOQ here. Excavation 1250 cubic meter, 1250 cubic meter, sorry, 1250 cubic meter. We'll change the format from here to the numbers. Okay, and meter cube, lean concrete. From here we will take lean concrete. It is also in meter cube and quantity is 2.9 cubic meter. Copy, paste. Installation of shuttering for footing. It will be in meter square. Steel binding for footing, not the shuttering. Cut and paste. steel binding will become in kg. So for the footing and column, here is steel, so we have to take the quantities for this. So I am going to next activity because I will take this quantity from the concrete quantity, pouring of concrete for footing. So for the footing, here is 14.4 cubic meter, 14.4 cubic meter. And for the column, we have quantity for the column 1.54 cubic meter, 1.54 cubic meter. Now we can take the quantity of steel in kg, this plus this, multiplied by 1%, divided by 7850. This is the density of concrete in 1 cubic meter, 7850. It is ton. So we are taking from this meter cube only 1%, because the steel from the 1 to 2% or 3% of concrete. So if there is also column, so we will take here 1.5. The formula is something change. So we have steel here 1876 kg. Now the shuttering quantity we have to take from the drawing, but here we are only supposing the quantity. If you have the drawings, you can calculate from there. I am putting here the steel quantity, shuttering quantity by suppose. (120 square meter). Removal of shuttering for footing, it will be also same. Curing of footing, it will be in lump sum 1, it will also 1. Bitumen band for footing, it will be same as square meter. Installation of shuttering for column, we will suppose it also. Suppose it is 80 square meter, but in the actual you will calculate this quantity as per the drawing from your project drawings, so it will be more logical. Curing of column, it is also lump sum. Bitumen paint for column, it will be same as square meter, same as shuttering. Removal of shuttering for column, but here the link is not correct. because the bitumen will be applied also after the removal of shuttering. So I will change it in the Primavera, not here, because already we started work here. If I will change it, so I have to again copy and paste into the Excel. So I don't want to do this work again. First I will apply the resources, all resources to the Primavera, then I will change it as per the Primavera, only these two activities. Backfilling will be same, not same, but something change. We will minus the quantity of concrete from this, minus concrete quantity, which is footing, pouring concrete for footing, minus pouring concrete for column. So our backfilling quantity is 1234 cubic meter. Leveling and compaction for grade beam. It will be in lump sum also. Lean concrete for grade beam, lump sum. Steel binding for the grade beam. It will be come from pouring concrete. So we will put here cubic meter. The quantity for the grade beam is 14.4 cubic meter. Pouring concrete for grade slab. We have here quantity for grade slab 75 cubic meter. Now we will do the calculation for steel for the grade beam. It will be 1%. This one multiplied by 1 divided by 100 multiplied by 7850. So we have the quantity of steel 1130 kg, yani 1.13 ton. Installation of shuttering for grade beam. Installation of shuttering for grade beam, we will suppose it also. Square meter. Testing and commissioning. No need manpower. This is third party always. Submittal of as-built drawing. This is indirect manpower. Demobilization and project handover. This is also indirect manpower. This is our staff work. So we are doing here only construction resources. These all the things, no need resource analysis, because this is by our staff, which is we can assume lump sum. Now we will calculate per day productivity. So we will divide the quantity. We will divide the quantity from the duration. Drag up to the last activity. site cleaning and layout marking. This is here we need labor supposed to be on your site. I think this is a small quantity of the excavation, and here you can check the area of site, what is the area, actual area, and which time and how much manpower it will take to clean. And layout marking by the surveyor, which is our also staff member, but we are not talking about any staff here. We are talking about only skilled and unskilled labor. So this activity needs some labors to clean, which is, suppose 2 laborers will clean the site in one day and 10 hours. So 2 laborers multiplied by 10 hours also it will multiplied by duration. So duration is 1 day. So how much man hour we need for the labor is 20 hour. We will do resource analysis as per man hour. It is more logical, because if we will do with man hour, it will easy to calculate Mandays and man on site. We will divide it from 10, we will divide it from the duration, so we can get how much man days, how much man we need on site and man days. Excavation. Here our one excavator will do per day 208 cubic meter. This one divided by 208 multiplied by 6 and multiplied by 10. This is our man hour for the excavator. Lean concrete, it's need mason. Per day one mason is enough. You can do one mason 2.9 per day multiplied by 1 and multiplied by 10 hour. Steel winding for footing and column. We need a steel fixer here. So one steel fixer can do per day 300 kg multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10. So in 2 days we need 62 steel fixer hour. It's meaning 3 steel fixer we need. Installation of shuttering for footing. We need carpenter for this. For the footing, one carpenter can do per day 12 square meter multiplied by 2 days multiplied by 10. So 100 man hour we need. Pouring concrete for footing. We need mason here for this. Per day we need 2.88. So one mason per day can do 100 multiplied by total duration multiplied by 10. So it is coming 1.4 hour only per day. So in one day we can pour the concrete for footing. It will not change. 1.44. Our duration is 1 day. 1 hour, sorry. Removal of shuttering for footing. It will be same calculation. but here not 12. For the removal we can increase. For the removal we can do 15 square meter per carpenter, so this is will come 80, and we can remove it in one day. Curing for footing, we need labor for this, divided by 1 multiplied by duration multiplied by 10, not 10, we need for 1 hour only. So we need curing for footing at least 3 days. Bitumen paint for footing. For this we need painter, so we will increase one resource here, painter. One guy can do per day 20 square meter multiplied by total duration multiplied by 10 hours. We can do it in 2 days. 60 hours we need for this. Installation of shuttering for column. Same, but for the column productivity will be changed. So productivity will be here 8 square meter. Pouring concrete for column, we need mason for this activity, and it will be same as footing. Curing for column, it will be same as footing. Bitumen paint for column. We need painter for this. Copy and paste. We need 40 hours for the paint. Also, installation of shuttering for column. This is we need 100 hours. Its meaning at least we need here, we can do it in 3 days by using 3 or 4 carpenters. Also, pouring for the column in 1 day we can do it. Curing need 3 days. Bitumen for column, it will finish in 2 days. Removal of shuttering for column. For the removing shuttering, the productivity will be 15. Or 12, not 15. 15 for the footing, but for the column 12 we can assume. Backfilling. For the backfilling we need roller here. Roller and also excavator we need. So excavator will start to do backfilling, or shovel we can use here, or excavator also we can use. So one excavator will do the backfilling layer by layer. So let's suppose it 5 days, and the quantity per day we need 246. For the backfilling. One excavator can do per day 250 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 10. So we need here 6 or 7 or 8 days, and the productivity can reduce to 154. One roller will do compaction per day 154 cubic meter multiplied by 8 multiplied by 10. Same, it will be same. Leveling and compaction for grade beam and grade slab. We need roller here for the leveling and compaction. It is 2 days activity, and one roller can do in 2 days. Yani lump-sum 0.5 we can say. So we need 20 hour roller hour. Lean concrete for grade beam. We need for this method. So for the lean concrete, one mason will do 5 cubic meter per day. So we need only here 0.2 hour. We will change it 1 day. Also here remove shaping for column. You can do it in 2 days. Steel binding for grade beam. Steel binding for grade beam. Will be same productivity. And we can do it in 2 days. 2026 or 4 days. Installation of shuttering for grade beam. For the shuttering we need carpenter, same productivity. Pouring concrete for grade beam, we need mason for this. And 1 day we can do it. For the shuttering, in 2 days we can do it. 10 square meter per day. So we need 1 or 2 carpenters for this. And for the pouring for grade beam, 1 day is enough. So we need 1 hour to pour 20 to pour 14 cubic meter. We can do it in 1 hour. Pouring concrete for grade slab. Copy and paste. We can do it also in 1 hour. We need 7.5 hours to pour it. Now we will check how much total man hour and total machinery hour. We will make a sump for this. And we will drag down. We need 606 man-hour to complete the project. So this is our resource analysis for our project. Okay, and we will see in the next video how we will import it to the Primavera P6 and how to assign the resources. Okay, thank you guys.